Sarphonyx is the Drukhari Lord Hellion of Comora's underworld. Self-styling himself as the Baron of the Dark City's outcasts, this petty king of the dispossessed oversees every Hellion gang within his airborne court. Formerly a noble of the Cabal of the Slashed Eye, this Dark Eldar pirate has raided craftworlds for millennia, most noted by his capture of a Farseer of Alatok, to which he proudly boasts of to this day. Exiled from the Slashed Eye Cabal by its Archon, Cyphrax, for daring to bring a Psyker within the midst of their domains, Sarphonyx murdered the guards tasked with escorting him to the Undercity of Comora and began to establish his own criminal enterprise. Hunted relentlessly by bounty hunters henceforth, all who attempted to part the Baron's head from his neck were found strung upside down, alike the grim totems surrounding the towers of the Slashed Eye's fortress. Evading the purge of the Calabite Trueborn as he began to accrue a reputation as a rebel, Sarphonyx with time assembled an army of iconoclasts, exiles and detritus from the bowels of Comora, destroying the House of Cyphrax after a year-long campaign of slaughter. Though none have been able to capture the Hellfather of Outcasts, his panoply still retains fragments of the remains of the Farseer, which had been the cause of his banishment. Using the psychically infused bones of the Farseer's remains to divine future assassination attempts and ambushes, his army of Skyborn warriors swiftly silence all who attempt to end his reign. Working as the Lord of Mercenary Scum within the depths of Comora, the Hellion gangs are a useful tool for the Archons of the Upper Spires, and many appreciate the unifying purpose to which the Baron has bound their will. Utilizing espionage and blackmail to achieve his own ambitions, the Lord of Middledark sees all within the depths of the Dark City and continues to further his own power base.